Hi all, welcome to the video. I'm come with the topic GPT-4. GPT is becoming a part of many people's everyday life. People who work in IT industries, GPT as a part of their life. MIT, which is an American university, has published a page on this as a part of using GPT. People can do their job in half the time in many industries. In other words, it is like getting an expert assistant in our workplace. That this application is not perfect. There are a lot of negatives and drawbacks, but the company OpenAI has said that the updated version will be released in near future. So they have released an updated version of GPT, that is GPT-4. GPT-4, it is a miracle. It is a step forward from AI to new idea of artificial general intelligence. If it go like this, we may maybe it leads to the distraction of human race. And comes to the introduction of ChatGPT, that is the latest iteration series by OpenAI. It is a continuation of advancement in natural language processing. Come to enhancement mode and improve dialogue quality. Newer iteration like GPT-4 would likely focus on improving natural and coherence in conversations. This could involve better context awareness, reducing repetition, and generating more relevant responses. And next is expanded knowledge base. They would likely to afford to increase the model knowledge base, possibly incorporating more diverse sources of information, ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the responses. Utilizing artificial generative intelligence would involve advancement in the underlying architecture, possibly include more efficient training method, larger model sizes, or improved algorithm for better performance. That is the technical improvement. And GPT might feature a more sophisticated architecture designed to handle more complex queries and generate more nuanced responses. This could involve improvement in attention mechanism, memory, or the ability to understand and generate more abstract concepts. That is the advanced architecture. And come to fine tune conversation, refinement in how the model handle dialogue could lead to better handle of noises like tones, emotions, maintain coherence over longer conversation. And comes to next topic, the improvement from GPT-3 to GPT-4. The input for GPT-3 is text, and we got answers when asking questions to the GPT. And then comes to GPT-4, not only text input but also the image input can be given. And GPT-4 was able to create a code for the similar web page that was given to the input as image. Not only it able to read image or pictures, but it also able to give output that we have never thought of. That is the biggest feature of GPT-4. And next, there is a big improvement in its intelligence and reasoning ability. One of the popular exam, that is bar exam in America, that was attempted by GPT-3, but it was able to score only in the bottom of 10 percentile. But in case of GPT-4, attended this exam, these two top 10, it also give output to the graph images. Some case it was able to file some lawsuits and cases. In GPT-3, the word limit is 3004 for input and output, but in case of GPT-4, it is increased to 25,000 and able to make a good improvement in accuracy and also to provide more than 14% factual data than GPT-3. And also it responds to an disallowed content from 80% of GPT-3. And the next topic is artificial generative intelligence. Is the intelligence similar to human? There are different ways to define it. The ability to complete tasks that have not been studied before. So the creators themselves claim that it is the beginning of AGI. AGI is a subset of AI focused on creating or generating new content such as image, text, audio, using algorithm to mimic human creativity and produce novel output based on patterns and data that has been front on generative model. A prominent example being generative adversarial network are often used in artificial generative to learn from data and then generate new content that resemble the original data set. Next topic is the key characteristics. First one is creativity. GPT would continue to excel in generating novel content by leveraging learned pattern from extensive dataset. This could include producing unique IPs, innovation, music composition, original design concepts, and even novel scientific hypotheses. Advanced in model architecture and training methodology would likely enhance GPT-4 ability to generate content that is not only coherent but also creatively inspired. And GPT would improve its ability to learn from diverse datasets, allowing it to produce varied output across different domains. This adaptability could involve fine-tuning the model to specialize in specific tasks within art, music, design, and scientific research, while also maintaining a broad understanding that enables across domain creativity and problem solving. That is the adaptability key characters. And comes to utility, GPT-4 applications would expand across a wide range of practical fields, that is art, music, design, scientific research. In case of art, generating visual artworks, sculptures, and multimedia installation. In music, composition, melodies, harmonies, and their musical composition across styles. And design, creating new product concept, architecture, design, and user interfaces. And the next topic is examples of applications. Advancement in this area could be substantial, building upon the capabilities and limited observation in earlier model GPT-3. Here, how each domain might progression. In image generation, GPT-4 could potentially integrate techniques from advanced generative serial network, that is GAN, or novel generative model that combine the strength of transformers with image generation architecture. This could lead to the generation of more realistic and diverse images, include face, landscape, and even complex scene with improved detail and coherence. And in case of text generation, tasks such as writing articles, stories, poem, GPT-4 might redefine its understanding and generation of context, coherence, and creativity. And hence, more model could exhibit better control over style, tone, narrative structures, potentially incorporating more nuanced understanding of cultural context and emotional expressions. And how the musical generation will be done in the realm of music composition. GPT-4 could advance technique for generating melodies, harmonies, and even full musical composition. This might involve learning richer musical pattern, understanding musical styles more deeply, and potentially incorporating feedback mechanism to improve musical coherence and creativity. And next comes to the next topic, that is technology. In case of technology, the first one, GAN, might have evolved to handle more complex and diverse type of data generation beyond image and basic sequences. They could potentially incorporate more sophisticated architecture for both the generation and discriminated network, leading to improved stability and quality of generated content. And next one is recurrent neural network. must still be relevant for sequence generating tasks, but advanced could focus on addressing their limitations, such as handling long range dependencies more efficiently. Techniques like attention mechanism might be more seamlessly integrated into RNN architecture to improve performance on the task, like text generation and music composition. And in case of transformers, are likely to continue dominating in tasks involving natural processing, language processing, and sequence generation. In GPT-4, transformers could be even more optimized and efficient, potentially with larger model size and enhanced capability for understanding and generating text sequence. Architecture advancements such as sparse attention mechanism or improvement parameter sharing might also be explored to make transform more scalable and applicable. It's a wide range of NLP tasks. And comes to the GPT focus on quality, ethical consideration, and advancement in generative content. Quality GTP will strive to ensure that the generated content meet higher standard in terms of realism, coherence, and relevance to the input content. This could involve improving training methodology, better handling of long-range dependency, and enhanced mechanism for generating diverse and appropriate output. When it comes to ethical consideration, addressing potential misuse would be a critical aspect of GPT-4 development. Might involve implementing stronger control and guidelines for ethical use of the model, incorporating mechanisms to detect and imitate biases in training data and generating output, and enhancing transparency in how the model operates and making it easier to audit and interpret its decision. And in advancement, GTP-4 would likely focus on improving realism, diversity, and efficiency of generating context across various domains. That's all about GPT-4. Thank you.